Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display SKU with product title in cart page using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page. Now you see table and then you see product title. So we are going to display SKU with product title. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see SKU text and then you see SKU, so you can add text according to your requirement. Scroll down, you see inside method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page. Now you see product title. Refresh the page. Now you see SKU number with product title by using custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.